Well, hello everyone. First of all, a very happy new year to all of you. And secondly, the new year is already getting big for all of us. How? Well, I've just got received this. Well, what it is? Well, it's a chance to be the project admin of OLake. Well, OLake has now been selected as one of the core repositories of the social winter of code. Yeah, the one of the big events of open source contributions out there. And not only that, we are kicking off with all the set of various issues, how you can go ahead and start off contributing, at the same time how you can be a part of the complete open source community. So that you're very much well prepared for the other open source events that come by, which can be GSoC, Hacktoberfest, the one that we already done. And now is the time to go ahead and start off with the social winter of code. I'm going to be covering all the set of steps and everything that you have to go ahead and keep yourself aligned to go ahead and be a part of it. Well, firstly, if I'm going to be you, I'm going to be going ahead, and if I've got myself registered and I've got the acceptance mails, the second step would be go ahead and head on to the Discord, where you will find this channel, the OLake, where I've already announced of what are the guidelines and everything that are revolving around it, how you can go ahead and start contributing, and how you can be a part of our Slack. But if you're not someone who want to get yourself into the text side, I just want to go ahead and describe it all of you. Well, first you have to go ahead and start off with the OLake documentation, which I've shared the link of in the same message. Go into the documentation, you will see the section named Contribute to OLake, where you can go ahead and set up your development environment, start off with a simple set of commands, and then go ahead and spin up your OLake UI. Experiment with it, see how the things work on the side of Apache Iceberg and how the data gets shifted when you're working with the faster data ingestion tool. And then only you can go ahead and start off contributing, because once you're good with the text side, now you can go ahead and work onto the side of contributing. So the second step comes off with joining onto our Slack channel. Now you're going to be thinking, why the need of a Discord channel and why the need of a Slack channel? Discord channel is the one we're going to be talking about all of your doubts, all of your issues, and everything you have in mind. I'm going to be one going to be taking care of it. You can just go ahead and tag me by the name Akshay. I'm going to be taking care of all of your doubts and any issues you are getting in the side of contributing, or if you just want to go ahead and create some issues out. Next up, you go ahead and head to our Slack channel. Well, what it is, you go ahead and head out to the introduce sources section, go ahead and a bunch of people have already introduced themselves, you can see them here, and go ahead and with the same kind of form introduce yourself, what are you looking forward, how you can want to go ahead and contribute with the issues. Next up, you're going to be seeing a contributing to OLake channel on the same Slack, where our developers are there to help you around and start off with a various set of contributions. Now is a very important guideline. As OLake is selected as an organizational level repository, we are a person and we are like every other developer out there in the OLake is looking forward to get some CS contributions out of you. As we are working on with Go and Java, these are some languages that require some good grasp around if you just want to go ahead and start off contributing. As all of your code gets shifted into the production level side, and it's going to be helping you in the future in case of course to build your resume out, but at the same time if you don't contribute good, that's not something that's going to fall in the right place for you. So what you can do is head on to our Slack, see what are the various issues people are working on, and also check out our GitHub, where you have some good first issues, good second issues that's going to be tagged in the future case, that's going to be tagged as SWOC beginner, SWOC advanced. Well, what it is, you have a points table, so I'm going to be sharing that one here. So you have a points table which you have 50, 100, 200 points and everything around that. You can go ahead and start off contributing, be a part of this complete open source events, and everything, your points, contributions, and everything is tracked. Now is the part of rewarding. Well, as the year has been started, everyone's gonna get rewarded, right? Well, yeah, if you're just gonna go ahead and start off with some good first issues, we're gonna be rewarding with you with some cool jacket, just like this one. Well, it's data zip, you can get OLake one if you want. And secondly, if you are someone who want to go ahead and get yourself on the side of stickers, we're gonna be sending them through as well. Just go ahead and start contributing. And also, as I've already shared with you, at OLake, we don't keep things to the simple mere events. We look forward for some more and long-term contributions. So that's where we have our private bounties channel that is also running in the same Slack. You can be a part of it, but of course it's locked for you. But if you start contributing good in the social winter of code, we will allow you to go be a part of it, where the bounties range from 20, 40, all the way to $100. If you can just buy a week work, you can just go ahead and get yourself in. Now, next up, very last step, if you have just started contributing and you have raised a pull request, now's the time to go ahead and head on to the contributing to OLake section, tell which pull request you're working on, and our developers will be there to guide you. But keep this in mind, as we are an organization, we are working on a lot of things together, we need to keep things respected and keep things patient. You're going to be receiving back the reviews in a week or a half, but at the same time, they're going to be the reviews that's going to be helping you in a structured format, and then you can reply back to all of your questions and start implementing some of the reviews out. You're going to be hearing back from us maybe after a week or so, but I will be there continuously to guide you if you want any other kind of questions to be pushed onto the developer side. And if any question that falls right for you or for the developers, I will be one who's going to be taking care of it. But onto the side of GitHub, the things will take some time of around a week and a half. So this is some important info that you want to take care of. All of these guidelines are shared in one long message that you can see on the Discord, but I will be there to guide you. LinkedIn, Discord, Slack, even Twitter, you can just go ahead and tag me around and I will find you. See ya guys, happy contributing and make yourself count this 2026. See ya.